Hey everybody, well, back again with another fidget spinner video. See this? You might remember this, I just changed... You might remember this, I just changed the pad out. You might remember this. It's really good, but now they're selling more fidget spinners. This is a camera fidget spinner. I got it from Boss Eddies. Same place as this. So it's got to be camo blue versus no outer bearing red. So yeah, you already know how much this is, how long this spins for, but I haven't timed this yet. So yeah. Oh yeah, and there's a difference. That bit, this one, the camo is flat on the edge. This one is rounded. This one costs $6. This one costs $8. Oh yeah, and it's a lot quieter. Look, and it sounds really cool. Wait, on the side, because I don't know where it is. But, well, if you can hear that, it sounds really cool. It sounds like a little bee, but this one is really noisy. So yeah. Alright, let's just get into the timing. Once again, I'm gonna be timing with my mom's phone. Oh, it's not on. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so I'm about to start timing. This is a really good place because there's a mirror where I can see what you're seeing. So yeah, so I'm gonna give it like I'm not gonna give it any extra seconds. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Wait, dang it! 3, 2, 1. I'll give that 1 extra second. That wasn't even a good spin. You did not see me dab, which is good. Oh, that looks sick on the camera. Wait, how long has it been? Huh. I just dabbed again. And again. And again. Now slow down. I didn't... Oh! I've been reading it upside down, so it's been 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. That wasn't even a good spin. Like, all the power that I did was this. Normally I can do it like this. But I just did like this. And it's slowing down, Make it to 1:50. Alright. Make it to 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. Okay. Probably shouldn't move. And nearly. And stop. So 1 minute and 15 seconds. That was on the table. And that wasn't even a good spin. So yeah. It's pretty good. So now time for the hand thing. So wait. I'm just gonna take the second take. which is the hand. So yeah. Okay. Take 2. Okay, so this did not spin as well because I didn't do a very good spin. Like, it was just this much power, which is still a lot of power, but I could have won like this. Wait, like a little bit harder than that. So now I'm gonna be timing the how long it will spin in your finger. So yeah, reset. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can tell that I dabbed then. Oh yeah, one thing I like about these camo fidget spinners from Fast Eddies, it has a really big finger pad. Like it has a really big indent for your finger, which feels so nice. Come on, at least make it to a minute. Come on. For me, it's been a minute. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. At least make it past a minute and a half. At least a minute and a half. At least. Yes, yes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, here we come. 2 minutes, here we come. 2 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. It's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it. Yes, it will. Oh, shouldn't have done that. I'll give that an extra 2 seconds. Wait, no. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Still spinning. Nah. Come on. Get to a minute 50. Get to a minute 50. Come on. Yes. Yes. Stop. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. I think that beat the table, which I'm pretty surprised. So, these fidget spinners I recommend. Well, these fidget spinners I recommend. Oh yeah, and if you look closely, you can see that really big indent. See, you can see it. Yes, something's finally working out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the outro. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Mom, you in it. Well, that's the end of the video. This one span longer on the table, but this one didn't spin as long as it did on my, like, I span it on my hand like that, got up to 2 minutes and, like, 2 minutes and 11 seconds. In my hand, with this one, it span up to 2 minutes and, around 2 minutes and 50 seconds in my hand, so that's pretty long. So, yeah. Well, I'll just end it there, so see you in the next video. It might be tomorrow. Might.